Okay. So to find percentage of a quantity, let's say we have to find 10% of 95 euros. So first of all, whenever we remove this percentage sign, we get 100 in the denominator. Like 10% is 10 out of 100. This is what 10% means. Of means multiply 95. We can put it the symbol at the end. Now, uh, if you see 10 divided by 100 is 1 over 10, right? If you divide 10 by 10, you get 1.
Mm-hmm.
100 divided by 10 is 10. Now you are left with 1/10 times 95, right? 95
Yeah.
times 1 is 95. In denominator we have 10. So 95 divided by 10 is 9.5, right? Because we write the numerator, in denominator we have 1 0, so after one digit we put the decimal, and that's how we got 9.5 euros. Clear?
Mm-mm. I didn't understand.
You don't understand? Let me explain here. Okay, 10% of 95 euros, that's what we need to find. First convert this into fraction. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so when we remove the percentage sign, we get 100 in the denominator because percent means per 100. So 10 over 100.
Mm-hmm.
Of means times. 95 we just write it as it is. Now if you divide them, both of them by 10, you are just going to simplify this. So what you can do, you divide both side by 10, right? So we
Mm-hmm.
divide numerator by 10 and denominator by 10. If we divide, what we get is 10 divided by 10 is 1, 100 divided by 10 is 10, right? Times
Mm-hmm.
95. Now we know how to multiply fraction. 95 times 1, we just multiply numerator with numerator, and in denominator we have 10, right? So we
Mm-hmm.
write
Yeah.
95 as it is. In denominator we have 1 0. So after one digit we can put the decimal. So the answer is 9.5 euros. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. Um, Let me explain one more, which is 50% of 1200. So 50% of 1200 euros. First, we convert this into fraction, 50 over 100, right? Then times it
Mm-hmm.
with 1200. Again, these two zeros, you can cancel it with this, right? Because they both are numerator. When we have a quantity in numerator and other in denominator, we can cancel them, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So these two zero cancel out with these two. We have 50 over 1 times 12, right? This is what we are left with. So we multiply 12 with 5, which is 60, right? Then we have a zero there. We put it here, and that's our answer, 600 euros. Is that clear? And we even
Yes.
know, because 50% means one half. If we just do the half of 1200, we get 600, right? So our answer is correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um, So explain me how you would do the number 3. What are the steps I will be doing on my screen?
1% of 200 liters.
Yeah.
So 1/100
Yes. 1 over 100 times.
times 200.
Yes. Then
Cancel out the zeros.
very good. These two zero cancel out with these two. What you are left with?
Um, um, one whole
Yes.
or 1/1 times two.
Yes. How much is that? 2 times 1?
Two.
Yes. So the answer is 2 liters. Clear?
Clear.
Very good. Let's try number 4.
Mm-hmm. 21%, 21 over 100 times 160.
Yes.
Um, Cancel out the zeros.
Yes. 1 0 we can cancel with 1, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we get 21 over 10
Yeah. Divided.
times
21
6.
divided by 10 is?
21 two remainder 1.
See, when you are dividing a number with 10, just write the number, numerator, and there is 1 0. So after one digit, you can put the decimal. So the answer is
Ah,
2.1.
okay. Okay.
2.1 times,
Okay.
because we divided this, we got 2.1 times 16. How much is that? Do it. Do the math.
Mm-hmm. Uh,
Yeah, what's your answer?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Um, 136.
336. Then you put a decimal after one digit. So you get 33.6 euros, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Yeah, number 5.
Mm-hmm. Mm, 45 over 100
Hmm.
times 820. Cancel out the zeros. Now
Hmm.
you have 45 over 10,
Hmm.
which is 4.5 times 82.
Absolutely correct.
Um, um,
Oh.
3,690.
Yes. And where would you put the decimal? There we have one decimal place. So after one digit, you
Yeah.
put the decimal. So your answer is 369, right?
Mm-hmm.
There is no unit, so we can just keep it 369. Let's try number 6.
36 over 100 times 2,500. Cancel out the zeros. You have 36 over 1 times 25. 36 times 25. Um, 90 over 1, I think. I don't know. Let me check.
90 over 1.
No, 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 900, 900.
Yes, so the answer is
Forgot
900,
about
right?
the zero.
When we have a
Mm-hmm.
1 in the denominator, we can just write it as 900 because 900 divided by 1 is 900, right?
Yeah,
Okay, let's try number 7. What we need to do here?
152 out of 100 times
Yes.
120. That cancel all the zeros. And we have 252 divided by 10 is 25.2 times 12. Um, uh, um, 3. 3024.
Yes, then you put the decimal after one digit. So the answer is 302.4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so which is greater, 25% of 90 or 28% of 82? Let's try it.
Mm-hmm.
So first we find 25% of 90, which is 25 over 100, times it with 90, right? And we can cancel out this 0 with this 0. 25 over 10 is 2.5 because there is one 0. So after one digit, we put the decimal. Then we times it with 9. So what we can do, just we can times 25 with 9, which is 9 times 5, 45, 9 times 2, 18, plus 4, 22. So the answer is 225. But there is a decimal after one digit. So after one digit, we put the decimal. The answer is 22.5. Now let's solve the second one. Let me just erase it. The second part, this is 28 over 100. We times it with 82. Then because there is no zero cancelling out, so we can just divide 28 by 100, which would be, so how do we divide it? We write numerator as it is. Then there are two zeros. So after two digit, we put the decimal. And if the number is starting with the decimal, we put a 0 in front of it. So the answer is 0.28. We times it with 82. So 0.28, if we times it with 82, we get, we can just times 28 with 82 and put the decimal after two digit. So which is 22.96. So as you can clearly see, this is 22.5, this is 22.96. If you compare 22, 22 is same, but 9 is greater than 5. That's why this number is greater, right? Did you get your answer?
Um, yes, for 25% of 90 is
Mhm.
22.5.
Yeah. And the other one?
And the second one, 22.96.
Yeah. So which one is greater? 28% of 82, right? That's greater. Okay. The same way we can do 9, but I'm skipping it. I'm going on number 10, okay? Because it's similar. So
Okay.
number 10, it says Richard gets a bonus of 30% of 130 euros. Connor gets a bonus of 40 euros. Work out the difference between the bonus Richard gets. Did you get the question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's write. You try it by yourself and then we will match the
Okay.
answer. So in this question, Richard gets bonus of 30% of 130. So we need to calculate how much is that, right? To calculate Richard's bonus, we do 30% of 130, 30% of 130, which is 30 over 100 times 130. We can divide, we can cancel out this 0 with this 0, and we can cancel out this 0 with this 0. What we are left is 3 and 13 over there. 3 times 13, which is 39 euros, right? So this is 39 euros and this is 40. So if you want to find the difference, difference means subtract. So if we subtract 39 from 40, we get 1 euro. So the difference between a bonus Richards gets and bonus Connor gets is 1 euro. That's the answer. Okay, let me check. Yeah, did you get the answer?
I'm doing it.
Okay,
Can you show me the question?
okay.
Mm-hmm. So altogether the bonus is like 79 euros, and Richard
Um,
gets a bonus of 39 euros.
yes, so what is the difference? It is asking you to work out the difference between
Uh,
these two.
then
Yeah, the difference is 1, right?
yeah.
40 minus 39, which is 1. Difference means you need to subtract. Read question number 11 and try it. So question 11 says there are adults and children in a cinema.
Um,
There are
there
48
are
adults.
adults and children. Um,
Yeah,
there are adults and children in a cinema. There are 48 adults.
mm,
25% of the people at the cinema are children.
yeah,
Work out the total number of people at the cinema.
yes. Did you get the question or should I
Mm-hmm.
explain? You get it?
Yeah.
Very good. So first we need to determine the percentage of adults because 48 are adults but percentage is not given. If 25% of the people are children, that means because total percent is always 100, right? And 100 minus 25% is 75%. That means 75% are adults because 25% are children, right? Now, if 75% of 100 is 48, this is what it means. Because it says, actually, what I mean is the total number of people. Suppose what we need to find is total number of people. So let's say this is T. I will be writing T at place of total number of people. So 75% of total people is um, basically 48, because 48 is adults, right? And 75% are adults. So total of 75% is 48. This is what it means, right? And 75% means what? 3/4, right? Like if you have 25%, you can write 1/4, and 50% is 1/2. Similarly, 75% is 3/4. So at place of 75%, I wrote 3/4 of total. Total I don't know. So we need to calculate is 48. Now to calculate total, what we can do, we can move the things this side. If this is 3 over 4, if I multiply both sides with the opposite of this, like 4 over 3, I flipped them, right? Numerator and denominator, both side, so that I can cancel out. This 3 cancel out with this 4 with this 4. Now 48 divided by 3 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64. So that means total number of people is 64.
The answer is 64.
Very good. That's correct. Absolutely correct. Read next question. Question number 12. Okay, have you learned? I think you haven't learned percentage increase, right? So far.
Mm-mm. No,
So,
you didn't.
yeah, let's
Hmm?
try number 13 because we can do this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, read the question.
Abby buys us second. Abby buys a sofa for £540. She pays a deposit of 15% and the rest of the money in monthly payments of £17. How many monthly payments will Abby need to pay?
Okay, good. So, did you get the question?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay. First, we calculate the deposit amount. Deposit amount, um, it says she pays a deposit of 15%. So 15% of 540, right? So if we calculate 15% of 540, 15 over 100 times 540. We cancel this 0 with this 0, and 15 over 10 is 1.5. We times it with 54, which is 81 pounds. Now, to calculate the remaining balance, we subtract the deposit from the total cost. So the remaining would be,
The answer is 27 monthly payments.
okay, that's correct. Very good. So remaining would be if we subtract 540 and 81, which is 459. And because there are total monthly 17, so 459 divided by 17 would give us number of payments, which is 27. Okay, let's do number 14. Yeah. Try it, please. Read the question and let me know if you get it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Dermot bakes 420 cakes. He bakes only vanilla cakes, banana cakes, and lemon cakes. 100 of the cakes are vanilla, 35% of the cakes are banana cakes. Work out the number of the lemon cakes Dermot bakes.
Did you get the question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try it. So first, we need to calculate number of banana cakes. So, which is 35% of total, which is 420. So 35% of 420, which is 35 over 100. We times it with 420. This 0 cancel out with this 0, right? And 35 divided by 10 is 3.5. We times it with 42. If we times these two, we get 147. So these are the number of banana cakes. Okay, this is for banana. I'm writing just B for it. Now we need to calculate total number of vanilla and banana cakes. So this many banana cakes are there and vanilla are 120. So total would be 120 plus 147, which is 267, right? Now we calculate number of lemon cakes, right? This is what we need to calculate. So if total cakes are 420 and we subtract the number of vanilla and banana, we get the rest of the cake would be lemon, right? So 420 minus 267, which is 153. So the number of lemon cakes that Dermot bakes is 153. Clear? Did you get your answer?
Yes, 153 cakes.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Read question number 15.
Mm-hmm. Um, Amelia and Sophie did a test. The total for the test was 75 marks. Amelia got 56% out of the 75 marks. Sophie got 43 out of the 75. Who got the highest mark?
Yeah.
You must show all your working.
Did you get the question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try it. So first we calculate Amelia's marks. To find Amelia's mark, we need to calculate 56% of 75, right? Which is 56 over 100 or times 75. If we divide 56 by 100, we get 0.56 because there are two zeros. So after two digit, we put the decimal. We times it with 75, which is 42.00. So 42 we can just say. Then to compare the marks, because Amelia got,
Amelia's mark is 42 and Sophie's mark is 43, so
yes,
Amelia's mark is higher.
Amelia is higher. Amelia got 42 and Sophie got 43. Sorry, my mic
I
was
can't
off.
hear you.
Um, I said Amelia got 42 and Sophie got 43, but you said Amelia's marks are highest, right?
I mixed them
Yeah,
up.
yeah, I got your, I mean, you got the correct answer, but you just said it wrong way. Okay, let's try number 16. Read it.
Mm. Mm. Zoe wants to buy six tins of beans for the cheapest possible price. Shop A and Shop B both have a special offer. Shop A 5% off the normal price of 48p. Shop B, 65p each, buy two get one free. Which shop would Zoe buy the beans from? You must show all your how you get your answer.
Hmm. Did you get the question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try it. So first we calculate the cost at shop A. Okay, so because shop A has 55% of discount, so we need to find that. So 5% of basically it says 16s of beans. Okay, I'm just checking if there is any other information given. No. So 5% of the normal price of 48 pence. So 5% of 48 is 5 over 100 times 48, right? Which is 5 over 100 is, we write 5, after 2 digit we put the decimal. So this blank we fill with 0 and we started with 0. So 5 over 100 is 0.05 times it with 48, which is 2.4. So this is the 5% off price.
Shop B.
Okay. What is the price at shop A and shop B that you get?
Shop B is approximately 0.43 cents.
You mean 43 cents, okay. And for shop A,
Mm-hmm. Shop A is 0.46.
0.46. Yeah,
Hmm?
okay.
46 cents.
46 cents. Okay, okay. Um, so, have you done your calculation on paper?
Yeah.
Mm,
Why?
because I'm getting different answer. I wanted to see the calculation you did. First, what you did? First, you find the 5%
Okay.
of 48, right? Did you find 5% of 48?
Yeah.
How much is that?
Yeah. So 5 over 100
Mm,
times 0.48.
okay.
5 divided with 100 is 20. 20 times
1
0.48.
minute. 5 over 100 is 20.
Um, ah,
5 over 100 is 0.05, isn't it?
oops.
Mm, yes.
0.05.
Yeah.
0.05 times 40 times
And you
48.
don't need to put 0.48
Um,
because it is already in pence, right? This is 48, so just keep it
mm-hmm.
48. It's not in euro.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, for shop B, 25 pence each. Buy two, get one free, right? This is what it is given. For so 6 tins, she wants to buy 6 tins, right? 65 is for one, and buy two, get one free. So because she wants to buy 6, so she just need to buy 4 because 2 she will get free, right? If you buy 2, you get 1 free. So she is buying 6, 3 and 3, 6. So for each 2, this one is free. For each 2, this one is
Okay.
free. So 4 times we need to do 65. Yeah.
But it's still shall be, right?
Yes. Um, shop for shop B you got
Yeah, so
260
shop
pence,
A
right?
is £2 and
Yes.
74 cents, and shop B um is uh, £2 and 60 cents.
Okay. And for shop A it is 2.4, isn't it? For shop A you should get 2.4, 2 euros and 4 pence. I mean 40 pence. And for shop B I'm getting 260 pence, which is 2.60 euros, right? So for shop the price of shop A
Mm-hmm.
is less than shop B, so it should be shop A, isn't it? 1 minute, let me just plug my charger, its batteries. Check your calculation, because if you multiply 0.05 with 48, what you get is 2.4, isn't it? Are you getting 2.4? Check your answer again. Calculation.
Mm-hmm.
What are you getting now?
1 second.
Okay.
Oh, okay, yes, I got it.
Yeah. So good. Now next, try this.
Gary buys a dress in a sale. The normal price of the dress is reduced by 20%. The normal price is £36.80. Work out the sale price of the dress.
Did you get the question?
Mm-hmm.
Try it.
Buys a dress.
Actually, yeah. Are you trying it?
Mm, yeah, buys a dress. Mm-hmm.
So first we
Mm-hmm.
calculate the reduction amount. So it says the reduction of 20% of normal price. Normal price is this, right? Which is 36.80. So we find 20%, which is 20 over 100 of 36.80. Okay, 20% is
Mm-hmm.
0.20, right? If we divide, we get 0.20. We times it with 36.80, which is 7.36 euros. Now, this much reduction we will do from the normal price to work out the
The
sale price.
sale price is
36.80 minus 7.
90 €29 and 44 cents.
Absolutely correct. That's correct. Good. Okay, great. Um, so I think that's it.